Hey everybody, Bill here, bringing you a quick demonstration video of the 2-in-1 laser tape measure and digital distance meter by TickTockTools. I'm going to do a quick pause and I can show you everything that comes in the package. Okay, so first and foremost, you've got the tool itself, very important. God willing, that will always be in the package. You've got a really detailed instruction manual. You've got our card, which is going to have some important links on the back, as well as our email address. You can email us anytime with questions at customer support at TickTockTools.com. You got a Type-C USB charging cable. No more messing around with replacing batteries or screwdrivers to get to the batteries. The unit has a very long-lasting lithium-ion battery, so when you give it a full charge, it's going to last a really long time for you. I'm going to do another quick pause and set up the demonstration. Okay, so first things first, we've got the standard tape measure, which is in standard or metric. So you got feet and inches and meters. You got a magnetic tip on the end of it, and it's self-locking, which is a really cool feature. So when you pull it out, it's going to be locked automatically, and in order to retract the tape, you're just going to push this button. You've got your output and input lenses for the laser right there. You've got your LCD display on the top there, and it's going to be a little bit difficult to see it at times in the video. Then that's just because of the video camera. But I can promise you in person, it's really easy to read, really great display. So you got your unit, which can measure up to 197 feet with the laser, or 60 meters if you use metric, 16 feet with the standard tape. You've got your on button, your mode function button, your clear back off buttons. Okay, to get into the calibration mode, you can only get there when the unit is off, and you do that by long pressing the hold button, or the on button, sorry. So I'm going to show you that really quick. So you long press the on button, you keep on holding it until you get that cal 0 at the bottom. You won't need to calibrate your unit when you receive it. It's factory calibrated. It's going to be accurate to within plus or minus 2 millimeters. What I want to show you is if you long hold the on button there, it's going to show you the feet and inches at the bottom. If you short press the on button, you can then change the units of measure to inches, meters, feet, or back to feet and inches, which is what I prefer. If you long hold the on button again, it's going to allow you to turn on or off the beeping sound. I actually like the beeping sound, but that's just me. And then you long hold the on button again, and it's going to take you into the measurement mode. See at the top left, that's your reference point for the laser. It defaults to the back of the unit. If you long press the mode function button, that's the middle button, it's going to change that reference point to the front. I'll do it a couple times so you can see the back of the unit as a reference point, the front of the unit as a reference point, and again the back of the unit as a reference point. So now you can switch using that. If you short press the mode function button, this is going to measure distance right now. You can switch it to area mode. Let me try and get closer so you can see that rectangle to the left, which is showing you you're going to be measuring area. Switch it again into volume mode. So you also have several different Pythagorean calculations you can do, which is really cool, but you can learn more about that in the instruction manual. So I'm just going to do a quick volume measurement here just so you get a feel for the tool. So if I set it up, I'm hitting the laser against the wall in front of me. Okay, you'll hit the on button again when that laser is shining. That's going to measure that. I'm going to turn it to the far wall to my left. Hit the on button again. It's going to give you that measurement. And I'm going to turn the unit towards the ceiling. And you'll see your laser beam up there. You hit the on button again. And now you take a look at your unit. And you can see all your measurements. That first measurement is the top line. It's 9 feet 6 inches. Like I said, the video will make it tough to see, but okay, 9 feet 6 inches, 13 feet 6 inches, 8 feet 10 inches. That gives you 1,138.4 cubic feet for the volume of the room. Now, if you hit the clear back button, it will start taking away those measurements, and you can start fresh and go back to distance mode. Now, I'll pause and come back and conclude the video. We really hope that video is going to be helpful for you. Please contact us anytime at customer support at TickTockTools.com. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.